me tell y'all something. At TMG, we love trailers, right? And because of that, I've got one of our volunteer pits on one of our trailer packages to show y'all today. Now, guys, on these trailers, on our volunteers, they're very narrow, okay? They're right at 5 foot wide. We do an independent suspension in the back. We got a double wheel jack up here, so it's very easy to roll it in and out of the garage, even roll around the driveway without having to hook up to it. You got a little bit of storage up here. Powder coated finish, guys, right? Every trailer we build gets sent off to be sandblasted, comes back, powder coated finish. That's a big deal there. Stainless steel front shelf on this one. That's a nice upgrade to do. Now we'll open up the smoker itself. Like I said, this is our Volunteer. That's a 128 gallon smoke chamber, bottom and top sliding racks in this bad boy. Fold down stack, of course, TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers, all right? It does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. On the firebox, this customer did add our built-in griddle top above the firebox. Now we do cut out the firebox, so this does get very hot. Super nice to cook on that, guys. It's already hot while you're smoking, ready to rock and roll. 3/8 thick pipe down here on the firebox. On the back side of the trailer, we've got another nice little stainless steel prep top, as well as some storage back here for all your firewood. Throw a cooler in there and finish them off with a spare tire up front. So guys, that is our Volunteer on the trailer package. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.